Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to send payment request on PhonePe in 2025. So, if you've been trying to send a payment request on PhonePe, you might have noticed that this feature is no longer available in the latest update. But don't worry, I will show you a quick workaround using Google Pay to request payment on PhonePe. So in the past, PhonePe allowed users to send direct payment requests through the app. However, as of 2025, this feature has been removed in their latest update. Many users are left confused, but luckily, there's an alternative through Google Pay, which makes requesting payments just as easy. So that means there is no way through which you can ask for payment request through PhonePe, but you can do this through Google Pay. Simply ensure that you have Google Pay installed on your phone. Then what you'll have to do is open PhonePe. Click on your profile icon at the top left. Now choose QR codes and UPI IDs. Now here you will see your QR code and UPI ID just at the bottom. So what you'll have to simply do on this page is copy your UPI ID from this page, then navigate to Google Pay, then click on Pay UPI ID or number button, then paste your UPI ID that you copied from PhonePe and click on Continue. Now click on Continue again. Now click on Request option and request any amount that you want, then click on Send, after which you'll be able to request that specific amount on their PhonePe. Now this request is going to appear in PhonePe instead of Google Pay. So while it's unfortunate that PhonePe removed the payment request feature, Google Pay offers a seamless alternative. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with any questions. See you in the next video.